Wisconsin Public Service Corporation is an industry leader in providing clean, low-cost electricity to over 440,000 customers in Wisconsin and northern Michigan. And now, GS Systems and Wonderware software from Invensys are a part of the current technology that sparked a revolution at WPS, generating a buzz throughout the entire power industry. About 2/3 of WPS's generation capacity is provided by coal-fired plants like the 3 facilities at the Weston Complex located south of Wausau. Until the mid-1990s, these plants relied on a pneumatic control system to regulate power generation. When it became time to upgrade to PLCs, they needed a distributed control system, or DCS, that would facilitate power regulation. The problem with existing DCS was that they were proprietary and expensive.
In the past, the problem with PLCs had been twofold: not very well integrated with the HMIs, and the programming language wasn't there to do this type of control. So we went into this looking for some software that could program in a graphical type manner. Additionally, we wanted an HMI that was easy to use and that would integrate with that product very easily, and also integrate with other products out there, primarily in the Microsoft type world.
GS Systems solved this problem by implementing Control Plus, a hybrid PLC control system, and integrating it with Wonderware's factory suite of products.
WPS has been great to work with. We credit both management and Team Weston for the success that occurred here. Management mostly for the fact that they supported the selection of a hybrid solution that replaced DCS functionality or capability, and to the team at Weston for the very effective development and deployment of the Wonderware software.
This gave the Weston team all the functionality of a regular DCS at a substantial saving, and gave them the open architecture they needed for continuous expansion and improvement.
Wonderware has made a difference in our connectivity with our different systems. We have different PLC systems there. We have Monocon for our main controls, Square D for some of our auxiliary controls out in the field, and we're able to go through some interfaces, grab the data and the register points there, and bring those back through Wonderware.
They first introduced PCs running Wonderware's InTouch HMI software as operator interface to the PLCs. Then GS Systems installed Control Plus distributed control software to emulate a traditional DCS. They then incorporated Wonderware's Industrial SQL Server Relational Database as the system historian and added Active Factory Data Trending and Analysis package to fine-tune operations.
This is a program that allows us to go in there and grab any point that we want that's in the database, put it on a trend screen. We can change the scaling, the time base, and look at the data. We can do this remotely. It's not just back in the engineering station or at the operator station.
Things are working very nice. In fact, we're going to take what we learned at Weston 3 with the Active Factory, and we bought the license, and we're going to incorporate it at our old plant as well, 1 2.
The entire control system was updated during the annual 6-week shutdown for turbine boiler overhaul. All processes, from the coal handling and pulverization to the steam generation and cooling, are under 100% automatic control. Now, WPS staff can monitor in real time and intervene anytime they need. The historian maintains records on every step of the process, so there's an audit trail on everything in the control system. The trending software allows both operators and management to quickly and easily view and analyze data and stop potential problems.
We can actually somewhat predict what's going to occur with particular systems. Say a boiler leak, we may end up seeing more water usage, and it'll help us look in specific areas to find where that leak may be coming from.
The new WPS process control system can help match power generation to user demand. If demand increases, they can respond in kind, and when demand decreases, they can ramp down. Now the Weston Complex is running more efficiently and more cleanly. Wonderware helps WPS monitor and maintain environmental control systems as well. WPS was compliant with the Federal Clean Air Act long before it became law. When WPS started automating, they were told you simply can't run a power plant with personal computers and PLCs.
When we started Weston 1 and 2, we were told by everybody that this was impossible, couldn't be done with PLCs and HMIs like this. We could not control a power plant. So basically we did the impossible. Beyond that, it changed the industry. They've now gone to systems that are very, very similar to this.
Now with the Weston complex running more smoothly and efficiently, how does that affect their consumers? The cost of electricity in Wisconsin is among the lowest in the nation. WPS and Wonderware, bringing power to the people. Oh, and by the way, if you're ever in Wisconsin, we'll leave a light on for you.